Are you tired of being a part of an old Facebook group that you joined ages ago? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to leave that group on your PC with the new update. Let's dive in. First, open your Facebook account and head over to the left side of your newsfeed. Click on Groups. Then, select Your Groups. Next, click on Sort and choose Earliest Joined First. This will help you easily find the group you want to leave. Once you've located the group, click on the three dots located under its name. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Leave Group and confirm the step. And just like that, you're out of the old Facebook group that no longer serves you. With these simple steps, you can easily declutter your Facebook groups and only stay connected with the ones that matter to you. So go ahead and clean up your Facebook account today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy Facebooking!